marking can be quite tedious, and one thing that you can do in OneNote is to do interactive marking. Now for this, you either need to have an electronic copy of the student's work, so they might email it in. Otherwise, what you'll need to do is scan it and insert it. Now to insert the file, you simply go Insert, File as Printout, so that it will show you the whole work and not just show you an image to open elsewhere. Select whichever the file is and click Insert. Now I did this in advance just because my computer is running a bit slow, and you can see the file here, where it's been inserted from, and you can also see the student's work. Now ordinarily when we mark, what we do is, obviously we use a different coloured pen normally. We simply will point out to the student where they've gone wrong. So remember, sum is addition. And then we'll give them the correct answer. Now you can see why this is quite tedious. It's a lot quicker for me to talk than type. So the alternative would be interactive marking using OneNote. So what you need to do is simply click elsewhere where there isn't anything. Go either to this little audio symbol or insert and click audio recording. Now once you've clicked this, a pop-up will start immediately, and this will be recording what you're doing. You need to make sure that you've got C playback clicked, and you can do simple marking now. So I'll give you an example. So I'll pretend this student's called Natalie. Natalie, do you remember that if you add 1/2 to 1/2, you get a whole? And I want the answer to be 1/4. So if I've got a whole and I split that into quarters, 1/4 is this. And if I want to add two fractions, I need to divide this 2 in half. And so that would then become 2/8. So I can add 1/8 and 1/8, and I will get 1/4. And you can go on. It can simply be a matter of going, remember we have to convert before we subtract. Or remember that we want the answer to be 1/4. So we don't want to multiply that by 1/4. And then simply, this is correct. Very good work. And once you're done, you can press stop. Now when the student views this, they'll click play,